Hi Kirby fans, so today we're going to be dismantling that G4 to see how much use it has actually had. So what we'll do is go straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. And don't forget, everything I use in my videos, there are links in the description below. So again, make sure you check those out for the best place to get your Kirby products. On to today's video, what we're going to be doing is taking apart that G4 and seeing how much use it's actually had. When I opened it, it was pretty clean inside, but we're going to open it up and let the truth unveil whether it has actually been used quite a lot over its life. If you didn't see the G4 unboxing, I will put an icon above linking to that video. Make sure you check that one out. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Well, so now we've got our Kirby dismantled, we've got it on the table. Now for this, we're going to need 2 screwdrivers, purely because Kirby decided this was the time that I wanted to introduce the Torx screws. So we've got a Torx bit and we've got a Phillips screwdriver as well. So what we'll do is dive in and see what secrets this holds inside. So first up, we just release the lead. It's got a Phillips screw on the top. And we've got a Torx screw on the side. And out she pops. Next up, we're going to release the back. So again, we've got a Phillips screw here. And we've got 2 Phillips screws on the front as well. So we just want a thin screwdriver to release that. So it's a push, and that should pop out. There we go. That's pretty clean. And now we're back to Phillips screws. That's pretty clean. So normally under here it would be dirty. Have a look, and nope, it's looking spotless so far. So we've got Phillips screws here and on the front. So what we'll do now is we'll release this so we can have a look at the brushes and see how clean this is here, and take the tech drive out. And it looks as new as the day it was made. Armature's pretty clean. There's barely any black on there whatsoever. According to that hasn't been used. So just turn this over and take the tech drive out. Alright, so on the bottom we've got Torx screws now, and Torx screws in here. But we've still got 1 Phillips screw there. Just drop that out. She's out. And that, as you can see, is spotless. There's absolutely nothing, no dust, no grime, nothing in there whatsoever. Belt's fine, no cracks. The belt even looks brand spanking new. Right, so again we have Phillips. Flip her over and get those bottom Torx screws out here. Right, so now we've got Phillips and 2 Phillips on the front. So we've just got one screw holding this in here. And we want to prise that out. And out she comes. And again, clean as. We can actually see the casing now. I'll show you when this comes out. There we go. That, I wouldn't say clean as the day it came from the factory, but it's spotless. It's still got the original black sealant in there. You can see it. That is spotless. Amazing. Right, so the test is, I'm going to take this fan off. Let's see what's hidden behind here. You can see that is clean. So a little bit of dirt around them screws, nothing major, but that is clean as. Fan spotless. Still got the plastic washer. Got a little bit of a fracture there. So I don't know if you can see that. So there's a tiny bit of a fracture there. So I'll fit a new fan in it. Anyway, but we can see, you know, you can see the flex in these fans and why Kirby changed them. I will be doing a follow-up video explaining why Kirby changed these. Oh, there's that fracture. So you can see it right there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Should do. There you go. But right there's a fracture there, and that's where that hair was. So we've got a little cut there, but there's barely any use on this fan apart from that fracture. So they've sucked something up to hit it and obviously cracked it, but these were prone to shattering. From when I used to work for Kirby, they were prone to shattering. So what we'll do is we'll fit a new fan or fit a new spindle. That one's just a bit, yeah, lightly worn, so we'll fit a new one of those and we'll get it back together. Just pull that out, and there's grease in there. It's greased anyway. So what we'll do is we'll just wipe that out, give it a fresh bit of grease, and then we'll fit the new fan. Right, so just give this a wipe out. Grease is a little bit dirty, but not too much. Now this is either grease from when Kirby serviced it the first year, or it could be the original grease. They might not have even entertained going into this detail with the little use that this G4 had. And what I like to do is just wipe the excess off from around, so it's just in there. And if you get it on there, just wipe it off. Pop that back in. You can reuse this. Still got the plastic washer. Got a nice new fan. Oops. Plastic washer on first. So these fans seem to slide on a lot easier compared to the grey one. That's quite tight and stiff. That wash is still on there yet, so I'll put that on. Put our metal washer on, and our new spindle. Now we'll run another CFM and see what the difference is. And we'll do that in another video. So I'll do a comparison between the grey fan and the white fan and see what the CFM difference is. There's one other place we can check. What I think of it. Leave that plugged in. I'll just slide this off. See if there's any dust or debris behind the switch. A little bit, that's it. So there's nothing there, just that. Let me flip that over. Tiny bit of dust, but nothing major. So they're telling the truth. Tiny bit of black on the fingers, but it's had barely any use. So let's get this back together. Be the first Kirby I've took apart that I haven't had to clean.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good. You know and I know we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into
Well, so as you can see, that G4 is absolutely mint. It's had barely any use. As you can see from the fan's had barely any use. It got that little fracture on there, but there's no marks apart from the odd one from a dog or pet hair that they had. So I'd say that Kirby's had probably 6 months use, if that. I mean, there was no dirt behind that fan. That may have been from a service, I don't know, but you know, even if it was serviced 12 months later and they took the fan off and cleaned it behind there, there's no dirt, so it either had 12 months use or less. Now don't forget everything I use in the video, that includes the fan that I fitted. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, so make sure you check those out. And those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hi Kirby fans, so today we're going to be what we're going to be doing is taking apart